is Madhavi Sitaraman. On behalf of GSC Foundation New Delhi, would like to thank all so much for your love, affection and support for 3 full days of cultural extravaganza, Divinity Series 2021, Dashara Arts Festival 2021 edition. Really, it means a lot for us. This year, we thought of a plan to organize a 3 days of fantastic lineup with wonderful artists and presenting to all audiences virtually and yet in person with live replay of events this Navratri. Thus, by celebrating the last 3 days of Navratri, namely Ashtami, Navami and Dasami, by featuring classical dance and music program, keeping in mind the SOPs of central and Delhi government, we decided to go hybrid this year. But it turned out to be much wonderful and colorful event with great ambiences, the dashing costumes, the flow and the energy with colorful lights, with sparkling lightning effects, all made it possible by the grace of God. Unlike our previous curated Navratri celebration cultural program edition, since post-pandemic we are celebrating this Dashara Arts Festival as a part of this edition, which made it even more unique with a large scale of audience, keeping in mind by maintaining the COVID-19 protocols, and would like to thank all those who attended our virtual webcast too. To check out anytime in our foundation's social media handles for the stimulating dance and music performances for the 14th edition of Divinity Series 2021, and also we had celebrated 2 virtual events also before that in our foundation. Do check out that also. Lastly, would like to convey our heartfelt thanks to all our sponsors and supporters for this festival, even the performing artists for supporting this festival. We go hybrid especially for our Rasigas. We, GC Foundation New Delhi, are very delighted to conduct this event like every year. Once again, thank you all so much for your wonderful love and support. We do appreciate it and hoping to see you all next year in our next event. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.